Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Isabel Layao Nongohayon, 36 years old, married. My husband's name is Johnny Ngohayon Jr., 40 years old. We have 4 children, 4 girls. I am a Roman Catholic and I live in Alfonso Lista, Ifugao, Philippines. I am a high school graduate and my father's name is Rudy Layona and my mother's is not in leave. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters. I also work as domestic helper in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 2 months. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults, 2 children, and 1 baby. My duties are taking care of children and the baby, cooking food, cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, and washing dishes. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn high salary to support my family and to give them a better future here in the Philippines. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper because I'm hardworking, kind, honest, and have long patience to children and baby. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I also promise to follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.